Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome again to Best Inspiration Kitchen. Today I'm gonna share with you something so delicious, easy, with simple ingredients, just zucchini and eggs. You're gonna love it. And stay with me, I'm gonna show you some tricks how to make this simple recipe so authentic. But if you like this video, give a thumbs up and let us comment. And if you are new, be sure to subscribe for new content. Now let's cook, let's do it together. For this delicious recipe, I'm gonna use 2 small onions. I'm gonna just chop them. So easy. Easy. And it's finished. Just in a hot pan, olive oil, and then I'm gonna add my onion, add a little bit of salt, pinch of salt, and some black pepper. Stir, and let it. Now I'm gonna take my zucchini, just cut them on all there. Perfect. Now you see this, don't cut it thin, should be a bit thick. Everyone knows that zucchini is just 95% water, but don't worry about this. I'm gonna show you some tricks, or 2 tricks, how to make this zucchini less watery. So stay with me. The first trick, just add a little bit of salt and keep it 15 minutes. Like that will avoid this water inside zucchini. The second trick is what I'm gonna do, just grill them on both sides. So you see, just like that, it's perfect. Now you see the water going out, just drain them, then put them on a sheet of paper. Now I'm gonna use just 3 eggs, add mature yogurt, or you can use just cream, 100 grams, and then pinch of salt, black pepper, and a little bit dried oregano. Whisk. You can use a whisk or just a fork. While everything is mixed, just add 1 chopped garlic clove, then whisk a little bit, and it's ready. Now keep it on the side. Preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius. Just take a little bit butter and put it like that. Perfect. And just gently put your zucchini. As you see, I prefer the second trick. We grill them While you finish everything, just a little bit dried oregano. And bring our onion. As we see, easy recipe for lunch or dinner. And bring the egg part. Now just cover it like that, and then put it in oven 180 degrees as we said for 25 minutes. Then before 25 minutes we will just add a little bit cheese, then we will serve it and you will see it. For 25 minutes, just take the cover. Now I'm gonna add a little bit cheese. Doesn't matter which kind of cheese you have. I have here Edam cheese, and you can add even mozzarella cheese as you like. And I'm gonna put it back in oven for 3-4 minutes. Here is the final result. Yummy lunch or dinner, as I told you. You just add a little bit parsley or coriander. You will see it's moist. I'm gonna try this one. Perfect. Something delicious, easy, perfect. Now this is the final result. Yummy, as I told you, dinner or lunch with just zucchini and eggs. Something easy, things that you can find at home. I'm hoping you're gonna try this recipe at home and give me feedbacks. See you next time, another recipe, another video, and bye bye.